Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. And today we have a 2012 MN Mitsubishi Triton dual cab GLXR. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front. This shape runs from 2009 to 2015. This vehicle is fitted with a 2.5 litre turbo diesel 4-cylinder backed by a 5-speed 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mag wheels. Left front appears to have a good tyre. We have the left-hand front power door mirror. Passenger door appears to have no damage. We have the left rear door, appears to have no damage. We have the factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear appears to have a good tyre. We have the factory GLXR tow bar. Right hand rear door appears to have no damage. We have the factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear appears to have a good tyre. Right hand front door appears to have no damage. Right hand front guard appears to have no damage, minus wheel arch flare. "17-inch factory alloy mag wheel. Right front appears to have a good tyre. We have the power window driver's master switch, tidy condition. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth standard interior. Has a tiny center console lid. Tidy automatic console. It has an MP3 standard single stack CD player. Standard climate control air conditioning controls. We have the left hand sun visor in tidy condition. Center courtesy light and map lights with sunglass holder in tidy condition. Right hand interior sun visor, tidy condition. Instrument cluster in tidy condition. Black steering wheel with steering controls in tidy condition. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. Would like to thank you for watching this video.